today we'll study about the equation of motion. So last class we have discussed the proof of equation of motion by graphical method. So today we'll do it by mathematical method. So now come to the first equation. Okay. So we know acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. So A is equal to V minus U by T. Now cross multiplying, AT is equal to V minus U. Now moving U to the next side, we'll get V is equal to U plus AT. So this is the first equation of motion. Now coming to the second equation of motion, we know the formula for average velocity is equal to V plus U by 2. That means final velocity plus initial velocity divided by 2. Now we know that distance is equal to velocity into time, because here velocity is equal to distance by time. So distance is equal to velocity into time. Now putting the value of average velocity in place of velocity, because the body is already in motion. So distance is equal to average velocity into time. But we know that V is equal to U plus AT. We know V is equal to U plus AT from the first equation of motion. Now putting the value of V, that is U plus AT plus U into T divided by 2. Now adding these things, we will get U plus U, this is 2U plus AT into T divided by 2. So here multiplying T with the term, we will get S is equal to 2UT plus AT square divided by 2. Now dividing 2 with each term, we will get 2UT divided by 2 plus AT square divided by 2. Now 2 cancelling. So here S is equal to UT plus half AT square. This is the second equation of motion. Now coming to the third equation. Again, average velocity is equal to V plus U divided by 2. Now make it first equation. And we know A is equal to V minus U by T. So cross multiplying, AT is equal to V minus U and T is equal to V minus U by A. Again, distance is equal to velocity into time. Now putting the value of average velocity, V plus U by 2, and putting the value of time, that is V minus U by A. Now in the this is U plus V and this is U minus V divided by 2A. A plus B into A minus B. Here A square minus B square, like V square minus U square divided by 2A. Now cross multiplying, will get V square minus U square is equal to 2AS, which is the third equation of motion. The first equation of motion can be utilized to calculate the velocity when the initial velocity, acceleration and time is given. The second equation of motion can be used to calculate the distance when the initial velocity, acceleration and time is given. And the third equation of motion can be utilized to calculate either distance or velocity when acceleration and initial velocity is given but the time is not there.